How to make a TikTok video with gallery photos, images, and videos. So if you want to make a TikTok video with gallery photos, images, and videos, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now you just need to simply go with the bottom middle, which has that plus icon. Now once you have this kind of interface, you can simply go with the bottom right, which has that gallery photos, images, or videos section. Now you can simply choose your videos, photos, and everything. So simply select 2 or 3 photos or videos and then go with next, which will be on the bottom right. And it will make a video with the images and videos. And go with next, which is on the bottom right. And go with post. And that's it. That's how you can make a TikTok video with gallery photos, images, and videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.